Hello friends, I'm glad to see everyone on my channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean an air fryer. We will clean the bowl of grease and burnt on food. I will also show you how to clean the heating element. And I'll also share some life hacks to help keep your air fryer clean. Let's start by cleaning the air fryer bowl. If there is a lot of grease, soak it up with a napkin. Rinse the bowl under water. Squeeze out some dishwashing liquid, about 1 tablespoon. Use a thick liquid that cuts through grease effectively. Pour boiling water over everything. Then fill the air fryer bowl to the top with hot tap water. Let it sit for 15 minutes to soften all the grease and burnt on food. After 15 minutes, take a soft sponge suitable for cleaning Teflon and begin cleaning. Watch how easy it is to clean. If you haven't washed your air fryer in a while and a thick layer of grease has accumulated in the bowl and it won't wash off, simply repeat the soaking procedure again. Rinse the bowl with warm water and wipe dry. If you cook in a dirty bowl, the grease will bake on more and more, making it increasingly difficult to clean. Therefore, after cooking, let the bowl cool slightly and wash it immediately with dishwashing liquid. This will keep it in perfect condition. To clean the heating element, lay a towel on the table and turn the air fryer upside down. Then use a paper towel to wipe the top of the air fryer and the heating element itself. This part of the air fryer contains electrical elements, so liquid cleaning agents cannot be used for cleaning. Let's make a thick cleaning paste now. Place 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a small container and add dish soap. Add a little at a time and stir. You should have a thick paste. Wipe the top of the air fryer with a damp, well-wrung-out cloth. Use a toothbrush to spread the cleaning paste over the surface. Do not apply the cleaning paste to the coil itself. If your air fryer model has a screw-fastened coil, you can remove it and clean underneath it and the fan. However, I don't recommend doing this, as there is no 100% guarantee that you will be able to reassemble everything and the air fryer will work. After spreading the paste over the stains, leave it for 10 minutes. Now take a soft brush and start cleaning your air fryer. My toothbrush is curved like this, making it perfect for cleaning surfaces that a regular toothbrush cannot reach. To learn how to make this brush, watch the video included in the tip. After cleaning, wipe off any remaining paste with a damp cloth. As I mentioned, this part of the air fryer shouldn't get too wet. Therefore, rinse the cloth underwater each time and wring it out thoroughly. It shouldn't drip. A lot of grease accumulates under the fan and heating element, and cleaning it with a cloth is very inconvenient. Take a chopstick, wrap one end in a cloth. Carefully insert the chopstick between the coils and clean the air fryer. This method will help you clean the surface under the fan and the dirty sides. However, you probably won't be able to clean the top of the air fryer to perfection. So clean up as much as you can and don't worry too much. You want a working air fryer even if it is not perfectly clean, right? By the way, if any paste gets caught under the fan, let it dry and turn the air fryer over. It will fall off and you can simply wipe it off with a cloth. When you are finished cleaning, wipe the heating element with a damp, clean cloth and then wipe dry. A sticky, greasy residue may form on the walls and bottom of your air fryer. You can easily clean it with a soft sponge and dishwashing liquid. Finally, turn the air fryer on high for 5 minutes. This will help burn off any residue and remove any odors. To make your air fryer easier to clean and avoid having to clean burnt-on food from the bowl, line it with parchment paper, cut it to size and place it on the bottom. It is best to trim the edges into a semicircle. This will ensure all the grease stays on the parchment after cooking, saving your time cleaning. After cooking, wipe the top of your air fryer with a damp cloth. Fresh grease is easy to remove. This simple trick will help you always keep your air fryer in perfect condition. Clean the outside of your air fryer with a soft sponge and dishwashing liquid. Then you won't erase the inscriptions or scratch the surface. Congratulations, you've done it! The bowl and heating element of your air fryer are now clean. As you can see, cleaning your air fryer isn't difficult, but follow my tips and always try to keep it clean. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.